solid yung sound na ito, grabe. Ito na yung mini speaker na nabili ko dito sa TikTok na sobrang quality yung sound guys. So guys, tingnan nyo ang liit lang niya pero grabe ang lakas ng sound. Tapos yung material niya, yung lahat metal yan guys. Hindi siya plastic, tapos nang sa likod transparent, tapos may pangalan ng brand niya. Para siyang salamin na yun. Tinatagal na ito guys. 4 to 6 hours, depende kung sagad-sagaran kayo yung patugtog niya. Yung bass niya, ang lakas. Testingin natin para marinig. Pakinggan nyo maigi.
Everything I say is the truth. Make her disappear just like poof. Then she's gone. Addicted, don't know what the fuck I'm on. Goes down like every other night. Man, I fucking love this life. Put it down and these hoes say they love the pipe. No, I'm not the bring back to your mother type. No, off that whiskey 101 proof. I'm just
Napakasulit na ito.